हमें से बहुत लोगों को एंजाइटी होता है when things do not shape up in a particular way. बट मैं जिस एंजाइटी की बात कर रही हूँ, इट इज इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. एंजाइटी का कोई टाइम नहीं होता कि आप ऑफिस में हो या डिनर पे हो तो ये नहीं हो सकता. Sometimes anxiety is a constant state of mind that people battle with. While there are a variety of methods in which one can deal with anxiety, there is a relatively simple but effective way of dealing with it, which is affirmations. An affirmation describes a specific type of positive statement, usually directed toward yourself, with the intent of promoting change and self-love while squashing worry and fear. As a type of positive self-talk, affirmations can help you alter subconscious thoughts. Repeating a supportive, encouraging phrase gives it power, since hearing something often makes it more likely you'll believe in it. In turn, your belief makes it more likely you'll act in ways that make your affirmation become reality. क्योंकि anxiety is often brought about by you thinking कि आप काफी नहीं हो या आप में बहुत कमियां हैं. Affirmations can help strengthen your self-worth. It boosts both your positive opinion of yourself and your confidence in your ability to achieve your goals. They can also help counter the feelings of panic, stress, and self-doubt that accompany that anxiety. When anxious thoughts overwhelm you and make it difficult to focus on more positive possibilities, affirmations can help you take back control and begin altering these thought patterns. Here's what affirmations can do. Improve your mood, boost self-esteem, increase motivation, help you solve problems, boost optimism, help you address negative thoughts. But they have to be realistic. Say you have a lot of worries or financial concerns. Repeating ki I'll win a lottery every day, however positively, will not help you much. An affirmation like I have the talent and experience to find a better paying job, on the other hand, may encourage you to work towards this change. रिसर्च बताती है कि affirmations इसलिए काम करती है partly because affirming yourself activates your brain's reward system. The system can, among other things, help reduce your perception of pain, soften the impact of physical, emotional distress. Affirming yourself, in other words, helps improves your ability to weather difficulties. आप capable feel करते हो about handling any challenges that arise, and that can often put you in a better position to work towards the lasting change. If you've started exploring affirmations already, you've probably found plenty of lists, along with some advice to choose affirmation that resonate most with you. But I would say the best way is creating them yourself. Consider a common affirmation. I'm fearless. What if you have plenty of fears and anxiety only brings them into sharper focus? You can repeat this affirmation over and over. But if you don't really believe you're fearless, it's unlikely you will become fearless from just the affirmation alone. इसको आप rework कर सकते हैं. You can instead say, I have anxious thoughts, but I also have the power to challenge and change them. This will be more realistic and doable. इन सबसे पहले एक ज़रूरी बात. First, you have to accept that you have anxiety. अगर हम खुद ही accept नहीं करेंगे तो उस पर काम कैसे करेंगे? Don't be afraid to accept anxious thoughts. If you live with anxiety, you might find it helpful to acknowledge this in your affirmation. It's part of you after all, and centering affirmations around reality can give them more power. Stick to positive phrasing though, and focus on realistic reflections of what you want to gain. Instead of, I won't let my anxious thoughts affect my work any longer, you can try, I can manage my worries around failure and still achieve my goals. Repeating affirmations in a stressful moment can help, but they generally have the most impact when you use them regularly instead of when it's a crisis situation or when you need them most. Commit to affirming yourself for at least 30 days. Keep in mind that it may take a bit longer to see improvement. दिन में आप 2-3 मिनट निकालिए when you repeat your affirmations. Maybe do it before and after going to bed. Affirmations can absolutely have benefit as a self-help strategy. But if you live with severe or persistent anxiety symptoms, they may not be enough to help you see relief. You might need to talk to a mental health professional and work through them. But like I always say, do not forget to be kind to yourself. That is really the most important lesson I have learned while dealing and living with anxiety. अगर माइंड ओवर मैटर का ये एपिसोड आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे भी फॉलो करें. थैंक यू.